Hi guys, I am Rishabh Chatterjee and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of a new helmet that was sent to me by Steelbird Helmets. So thank you Steelbird for sending this, and this helmet is specially made for Royal Enfield and cruiser bike riders. So let's see which helmet is it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
1, 2, 3, trap.
This is the box, and yeah, let's open it and see the helmet. Now we have this big box inside, and we also have two books. So let's keep this box aside and let's check out the main helmet box. So this is how the box looks, and let's open the box and check out the helmet. So here is the helmet. Feels premium, and this is actually the designer one. If you want a plain color, you get plain colors too. So that was the unboxing. Now let me tell you, why did Steelbird actually launch this new helmet? So what is the purpose of this new series SBH 10? So this helmet is basically made for Royal Enfield riders or cruiser bike riders who want their helmets to match the style of their bikes. Now it comes with an anti-scratch visor that most of the helmets nowadays come with. It comes with anti-theft locking device. There's a removable neck pad which can be washed too if it becomes dirty. Now this helmet is made of multi-layer EPS, high density and low density. And though this helmet is actually ISI, but on their press release they have said that the helmet is crafted in such a way that it meets the ECE 22.05 standard too. Now the inner lining is removable too, so if it becomes dirty you can remove it, clean it and put it back. The helmet is made in such a way that it matches the style of your bike and it looks good with your bike. You will find matte black painted ratchets or pivot kits, and you will also find a cotton coated leather stitched board on the sides, which is actually to make the whole helmet look retro and classic. Overall, this is for people who are actually looking for a half face helmet. There are a lot of Royal Enfield riders that I've seen who prefer this half face helmet, even though this does not provide the jaw protection that full face helmets provide, but it provides the convenience. And in summers there are people who don't like the whole full face kind helmet, so for them Steelbird has launched this half face helmets. For the pricing, here we have the pricing. It's 1,999 bunker rack SBH 10, and this size is 58 centimeters, and this is matte battle green desert storm. So this is how the helmet looks, and this 580 mm, but the strap is really tight for me, so I have to make it slightly loose. But fitting wise, okay, slightly it is loose, but that's how 580 mm is. I have to wear kind of a cloth inside so that becomes tight. So fitting wise it's like normal other Steelbird helmets, and yeah, this is how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and let me know what you think about this helmet. Would you buy this helmet? Link in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video with your friends too, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.